Hey guys, this is Adil here with Enthusiast Trader. In this video, I'll be reviewing the trades that I took on Friday, which is October the 9th, and also uh, talking about the trade ideas for Monday, October 12th. So let's get right into it. We see the spiders. Let's start with the markets. The spies gapped up on Friday, and then they put in a nice green day, 0.89% gain. The Qs, they also gap slightly higher, but they'll put in a nice uh, bigger gains than the SPY, 1.5%. Now the RSI 20 has risen over zero, which is good signs for both the SPYs and the Qs. So now this right here, 342 becomes support for the spies, and they are looking to go back to an all-time high. If you look at the Qs also the support is now the support could be at this level at 282, and now they're looking to head back to all-time highs. Um, this is a good time, at least in the short term, to be in the market if you're already long. Um, some of the positions that I am holding is Amazon from 3,200. 30 Amazon is at 32.31. I'm holding Lowe's from 170.35. Holding Tesla. My average price on Tesla is 437. Um, WKHS, I'm holding WKHS from 24.48. I have NIO, holding NIO from $22.08. Um, and I have few that I initiated yesterday. All right, so let's start with the day trades. The only day trade that I did was MELI, MELI. I like this breakout here at 1172. I got in at 1180. I closed my position at 1194. However, this closed strong. Uh, 1199. This looks poised to make a move higher. However, I got out of this for a small gain. Let's get into the swing trades. The swing trades, I was in JMIA. I overnight Thursday night I got this at 10:39 after day trading it the day before. I got this at 10:39, and then in the morning I sold it at 11:50, which was a nice gain for JMIA. Another position that I closed was Sage, SAGE. It kind of broke this daily low. So, I got out of it at $66. I was in at 66.35. So I lost about 30 cents per share on that, which is fine. And what else did I close? And not close anything. Okay, so now the trade that I'm holding is Akaba AKBA. I got this at 312 right here. The high was 308. So I was waiting for like 310, 312 to occur. So I got this in at 312. It held 312 for majority of the day. It couldn't break 312, but post market there was some PR, and then this really broke nicely in our favor. I took half of my shares off at 349. I couldn't catch this 370, but I got out half at 349. This looks to move higher. I am looking to get out of this around this $4 area, so I will be taking off all of my shares at $4. Although this can easily go back to 6, but I am happy with my $4 per share, unless of course it gaps above it, in which case I'll take another half off and let some ride to 6 if possible. So this was a good trade as well. Another trade I'm in is PDD, Pinduoduo. This is my favorite idea for Monday also. So if you have not gotten in this trade with me at 79.29, you can still get into this on Monday. On Monday, once it opens, if the market doesn't gap down, which it doesn't look like it wants to. Let's look at the futures. It doesn't look like it wants to gap down. Uh, so the futures are still green. The markets does not look like they want to gap down. So this, you want to be in Pinduoduo. This has easy room to 84. Pinduoduo can easily go to $84 right here. Um, so I am I'm already in Pinduoduo, and I will be looking to hit this $84 target on this. This can obviously go much higher to 91, but I will be taking off my shares at 84, which is the declining 50-day period moving average. Um, Next, I am trying to get into Lizzie, Lizi. Again, this is a reversal pattern, downtrend, selling off huge, igniting volume here, now consolidating sideways, and now it put in a nice green candle with igniting volume, 15% gain on the day. It just break. I just need this to clear this high, which is 273, this high of 271. So if it can clear that 275 area, I am in Pindo Lizzie at 275. And this has easy room to 382 or 380, somewhere around there. Um, so if the previous support is at 4, here is also 4. So I would say, the declining 50-day period moving average around 380 is where you want to be at on LIZI. The next trade, next idea rather, for me is Yeti, YETI. If this can break this 5096, it can move higher. Although I'm not a big fan, very thinly traded stock, 873,000 shares only traded on Friday with a 926,000 share average volume. I am not very interested in this, but this is a side idea. Next up is ZM. I like the ZM. This was also mentioned by market watchers. And if this does not gap up too much, I am interested in ZM because what's happening is it's forming this, wedge pattern right here. If, oops, undo that, it's forming this wedge pattern. So if if this gaps up a little bit, like right here, I am looking to buy this for this to make a move higher. Uh, so can I clear drawing? Ooh, let's all right. Let's get to that. Maybe there's a shortcut, but I'll just undo for now. Okay. So next up is Grub, GRUB. All right, something to note for Grub. Grub, I want to hold it through the earnings. I have a feeling they're gonna do good. Not just a feeling, because they've added Grubhub Ultimate, and also uh, I'm a customer of that, and it's pretty nice. It's a pretty neat system they have with the Grubhub Ultimate, and it's been doing really well. And I think that will attribute to good sales for Grubhub. Grubhub. So I want to hold Grubhub through earnings, which is on October 21st. So I will be looking to get into this. Technically, if this could break above 75. However, if it breaks below $72, like around here, or 71 rather, I will get out of this trade. I will hold it through earnings only on Grubhub with a small position. But if it breaks below 71, 71.40, I will be getting out of Grub. Next up is MA Mastercard. Mastercard was a really nice setup for on Friday. They paid dividends right here. So if you're lucky to get that dividend, 40 cents, and this put in a really nice move up. I'm looking for a continuation pattern here. So if this can, possibly go higher, I am looking to get into Mastercard if it gives me a nice entry. All right, guys, that will do it. Not a lot of trade ideas or stocks I have currently, because the market has been, pushing higher. I talked about, I think I talked about Tilray, TLRY. This had a nice pattern, but it put in a red day. This can also move higher here in the coming days. I talked about LMND. This was really nice, but because it was insurance, I don't do insurance companies. That's just me personally. But this had a nice, it was breaking this downward trend, and on igniting volume right here, RSU above 20. This broke through. You could have easily got in there 60, or rode it all the way to 67. This can actually move higher. This can, actually start going back all the way to $85. So LMND is a good place if you want to be in here. All right, guys. As always, if you haven't already done so, please, please, please subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments in the comment section and make sure to like the video. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. All right. Bye.